Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create APK for Android using Python Kivy. As you can see, I have written a document nicely formatted in Google Colab. All you need is Google Colab, that is a Google account. Once you have Google account, automatically you can access Google Colab, and you need basically you don't need any other special software, so everything is there online. So that's it. So all you have to do is write the code in Kivy and run in Google Colab. Basically compile in Google Colab, and you can run that in your Android phone. Now let me show you how it works. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create APK in debug mode, and in the second part I'm going to show you how to create a final APK that you can use to release on Play Store. So let's get started. First thing, to start making a Kivy app, you need two things. First, the main that is Python file, the main file. And in this Python file, if you're using any other fonts, suppose I'm using one, I'm going to show you what exactly I mean by that. See, this is the main Python file. It's something like this. Okay, and this is the icon that I have made, and this is the font that I'll be using. So before, and one more thing that I have noticed, that when you run Kivy app and don't include this two lines, it shows you the debug message on the computer is going to work, but when you're going to run the same thing in Android, it's not going to work at all. It's going to crash again and again, and you will wonder why. The reason is this: all you have to do is add these two lines, and that's all, and you're done, and it's going to run smoothly on your Android. So as you can see, I have written some code, and I'm going to just run and show you. Okay, it's something like this. As you can see, it's a digital clock, and it shows you the time now. The time is like 6:34 p.m. Saturday 22. Date today is 22. Okay, and in this, the feature is you can actually move the whole clock this way. The color keeps changing, and you can stretch as well. Okay, that way, something that way you can do. You can make it short, turn to whatever you like. That's one. And you can just turn around, make it small, or just drag anywhere, that way. This is one fun type of clock I have made. I'm going to run this on Android phone. So first thing is drag this whole thing in your Google Colab folder. So before running this, before starting this, first you have to click here, so that it connects with your account, and then all you have to do is drag this. It will take some time. You can refresh this. Case didn't do properly. Let's do it one by one. Yeah, okay. Then okay. So we have all our 3 files. The main, as you can click here, and you can also edit here as well. And now let's get started with compiling. So our code is running, everything is perfect. We are finished with this, and I've given some 2 links. You can also refer this. This is very important if you want to make more apps, or if you want to get the idea what kind of code is going to work on Android. So these 2 are the best to look into. And let's run the first one. Okay, now let's do the second one. Now third. Fourth. To clean the output like this, like there is a messy output, obviously you can't understand the thing. So to clean that, you have to press this. So let it run first. It's running. Done. Now cancel. So now we'll do the 5th. And 6th. More libraries. There are tons and tons of installation, and this part is the important one. Last time I was running, so this wasn't included and it started to show error. I fixed it by adding some extra lines here. Okay, done. Now this is the tricky part. Now to create bulldozer, you have to press Y and all that blah blah blah. Just follow along what I'm doing. Press Y, enter, and it's done. Now obviously something should show here. It's not going to show by itself. You have to press this refresh. So here, bulldozer spec file. Now just double click on this, and if you want to see side by side, click here and click this. So you will see side by side. Now the thing is, out here, first I've written everything, whatever changes you have to do, line by line along with numbers. So suppose here your file name, so application name, suppose this is like digital clock freestyle. Yeah, good enough. Same thing. Style. Let's copy this. I'll just write your company name or something, whatever. If you have made a Play Store account, you will know your package name. It's something like com dot something that you have chosen, and your app name. So mostly I use like I have one which I use like studio, and 10 is done. Now 16. Now line number 16. 16 has Kivy, all this. Let's copy this. 16, sorry, this is not 16, this one is 16. 16, just put a comma and just add this. Now 39, go to 39. Where is 39? 39 is somewhere here. Yeah, just comma and Kivy we already have. Just copy this whole thing. Okay, then icon, that is line number 52. Here, this one. So our icon is icon png, so icon.png, that's it. And orientation, we want landscape, and 78 we want full screen. Now you will wonder, what do you mean by full screen? When you run the app, on top there is this title bar where you can see time, battery and all that. If you don't want to see that at all, so just put 1, so you won't see that. That will be hidden whenever you run the app. And 88, that is this one. And one more thing, whatever line numbers are there, suppose like this, it has a hash sign, just remove the hash sign, and all you have to do is copy this, paste. Okay, but by now there was no hash, I think, because I never noticed that one first. I think there was none. So yeah, I think we are good enough. So 91 here, 91, you do 30, and 94, that is the same, but sorry, yeah, that's what I meant. Remove the hash. Then 97, again remove the hash. 24 and 100, remove the hash. We'll go down. Where is it? 159, this one. So we'll remove that, and we'll add this one, this line, copy, paste, and 203 somewhere here. 203, yeah, here. So wake lock means when you run the phone, when you run the app, and by itself it has a tendency of going to sleep mode, but in this we are going to make it true. That means it's not going to sleep at all. It's going to keep on running till the battery is gone, if you want something that way. Like mostly we need that for digital clock, so that we can make our phone work like a clock, so we can continuously see the time. And now we need line number 206, this one. Yeah, in 206, this one is for putting AdMob. If you want to add AdMob in your app, you can use this. This is just a demo one you can use your own for banner apps and so on. So I'm just adding this demo one, and then 236 this one, remove the tag. That's it. I think we are done with this. I will just save this. We are done the saving. Now you can also refer this links that I have provided here. Now this is to add the AdMob to make it run in your Kivy app. You have to run this and make it work. But while making your what you call that releasing app, if you are releasing your on your Play Store, you can use this. But right now I'm just installing just for, because I have to make the second part as well. So yeah. Now this is just for time pass I have done, just to check how it works. So as you can see, this is HTML, and it has, all you have to do is you have to add this HTML tag, and to run JS you can add this, you can to run CSS you can add this way something, and it runs this way nicely, beautifully it runs in your collab page. Now we're going to run our final debug mode. Now this might take time, about 15 to 20 minutes as I have seen. Let's run, and yes, enter. Okay, it's running. So I'll just start the timer here. As you can see, I've also added another HTML here. It's a JavaScript HTML, and it shows like timer. I wanted to some sort of time pass to just keep on staring at it, how much time it takes. So I'll just fast forward this video, and let's get done with this debug, and I'm going to show you on the Android phone how it looks like. Okay, here it is going to ask you again about the Y thing. Just keep on typing Y and press enter. 2-3 times it might ask, so just don't bother, just press Y and press enter. Okay, so it took quite a long time, at least 35 minutes. I guess the server was slow, I guess. But anyways, the APK is ready. It's in the bin file. This is the APK. I'll just refresh this. Yeah, yes, you can see this is the APK. And if I just, so it is like 14 MB, 14.51 MB. Okay, now I'll just download this, and I'm going to run this on my Android phone and show you how it looks like. And on the next video, this video obviously took quite long. I was not expecting 35 minutes. I was expecting I'll just save this. I was expecting something like 15 to 20 minutes, but this time I don't know why it took 35 minutes. I'll just change this here. To it's So I've done this before quite some time, but always it was up to 15 to 20 minutes, but this time it took 35 minutes. Yeah, happens. So you're done with the APK. So this is my APK file. Just cut this and just put this here. I'm going to run this APK on my Android phone and show you how it looks like. And yeah, I'm going to share this code, this whole thing, this whole document in my YouTube description. You can have a look and you can try it out how it works for you. And in my next video, do see my next video, which is really important, how to create a final APK along with AdMob. I'm going to add this and one more thing, I just forgot to mention. In case you get an error while building the app, like while running this, you get an error or anything. So what you have to do is, after fixing whatever mistakes you have done, you don't run this again. Okay, now what you have to do is you have to just go down and just press this clean previous app build. In case you run error with the debug mode or release mode and you want to clean the whatever old settings you have done, just press this and it will be clean. I'm going to show you. Just press this, press Y, and that's it. And all the previous files or whatever that was used to build this one will be cleaned. So when you run this again, it's going to be fresh start, so you won't have a error again or something. So debug mode, this time I'm going to show you till debug mode only, and in the next video release mode along with AdMob. Okay, and plus I have also done some research and found that you can add key store, how to add key store, and how to create a proper format that it's going to run on your Play Store. How is it ready for your Play Store. You can release it in your Google Play Store. So I'm going to show you that in my next video. Till then, bye. Okay, now I'm going to install the app that I have made in using Kivy. Now I've just transferred it in my phone. I'll just find the file. This one. Install. I'll press install anyway because I'm not installing from Google Play right now. I'm installing directly. So it is installing, and you can see the icon over here that we have made. It takes some time to install. Okay, now done. So we'll just press done. Let's go out. Okay, now this, as you can see, this is the icon somewhere out here right now. That's my mom, she passed away. And we did in landscape mode, so it is going to turn by itself. And this is what I was talking about. The title bar will get hidden and this screen will be live. It will not get turned off by itself. And you can see, you can turn the whole digital clock. If you notice the pattern of this clock, how the clock
that I've made, must have seen somewhere before as well. This is the format of a Casio watch, in the same way that AM, Sunday, and date used to be there in a small Casio watch. I have taken that format and looks pretty neat. And you can turn, it keeps on changing color and stretch the way you want. You can make it this way, or if you want this way, it turns into portrait, from landscape to portrait, or you can just make it like a small like a real Casio watch, how it used to be, somewhere at the corner, something like that, you know. And you can also make it really small. Yeah, this is how it is. And one more thing, the touch area of this is always in this area. It's not here, it's not here, it's not here, it's not here. It always in this area only. So whenever you want to stretch, it's this way. Okay, if you try to stretch something this way, it's not going to work. It's going to work only here. Okay, I hope you like my video, and give a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe, that is important. And please support my videos. I try to find some cool stuff by my own, and I don't do copy of someone and make the same video just to, get views or whatever. I make something that is like really like a real project stuff. I don't do, I'm not a super high end programmer or whatever. I do it for fun because I enjoy it. I love programming. So please do support, and do follow, and just keep an eye for my next video. It's going to be something this way, but I'm going to show you how to create a uh, what do you call that, yeah, we're going to release the I'm going to create a release mode. Yeah, so that's it. Bye for now. Thank you.